Where is the bird? Hi. Ay, there is one more, ne. The other one is broken already. So supposed to be get 2 eggs in the nest. Yeah, there is one here broke and then there is something inside already. So what shall I do with this now? I cannot put back in there, yeah? I guess they don't care for this anymore. Oh my god, look at this egg. It's a bird egg. So we're supposed to be getting 2 new birds if the eggs did not fall from the nest. Hi. And I guess they are waiting for me to feed them. Let's go. Sayang. That's sad. Waiting for breakfast. Ala, you follow me first. Cook, 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 cook. Oh, they are coming. Cook, 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 cook. Good morning, good morning. Magandang umaga. You guys hungry? Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Stay here. Here, Ala. You come and stay here. Then I will go get the food. There. Good job. You are all good today. So you wait. All the others. Come, 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 come. And may I go check the plants at the back. Enjoy the food. Good morning, kangkongs. Recovering from that replanting now. Medyo okay na sila. I can see the leaves already standing, no more, not sleeping anymore. But I need to add more, 2 more rows. You like eat tangerine? Hey, I can pick 2. Let's eat. Why is it like this? Yeah, get crack. Can anybody tell why it's like this? Some get cracked. Is it too hot? Too much water? But we don't really water this one. It's just the surrounding, the kangkong and everything. Not direct to the tangerine. Maybe it's the weather because sometimes hot, sometimes it rain. And we get plenty fruits coming. Okay, let's eat, guys. Tangerine. Oh, look. Another one in here. Get cracked. It's open. So this is the second one that I see so far. Look at all these tangerines. It looked like calamansi, but not. It's tangerine. Oh, hubby is cutting the weeds and I saw a bird, white bird. I know every time somebody cut weeds, you will see a bird like this. It's like they are attracted to the smell. You like eat the fresh cut grass. I think that's, oh, oops, it's drizzling, but I like to check our garden. So first in here, guys, we have rosemary. Look at our rosemary. Very big plant. And this one is very useful in cooking. And aside from that, they said it chases away mosquitoes. That's why we have here at the back. Madami kaming rosemary even at the front garden. So lakad-lakad tayo, guys. Pero pasensya na, hindi masyadong malinis yung aking garden today. I'm not feeling well the past days. Ano bang meron dito? Oh, I have here pineapple. Oh, so cutie fruit. How I have this one? We bought pineapple in the store. I cut the crown. So this is the crown. I soak in water and waited until get some roots. And then I planted. So it pays off because I am waiting for this cutie fruit to get ripe and ready to be picked. So I have one in here, another one. So for this one, this is an old pineapple. It gave fruit already. So as you can see, this is the stem where I cut the fruit. Another one. And then I have two more in here. And then one in there. And the reason why I am here at the backyard, guys, because I wanna show something. Let me put my camera down. Okay, so I'd like to show something, guys, because my friend, I'd like to give a big shout out for my friend Maris Corric's channel 4061. She said, Mina, parang wala kang tanim na tanglad, maganda yon na pantaboy ng insekto. So, for others info, tanglad is also known as lemongrass. Sis, meron akong tanim na tanglad. Ito yung aking lemongrass or tanglad, sis. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan sila. Ayan, so aside from the use of tanglad to chase insects like what my friend said in the comment, it is also very useful in cooking. I use this with soup, and then if I marinate meat, if I make, how do you call that? The very famous chicken inasal. Yes, I use this tanglad or lemongrass. Also in here, oh, this is a nice flower, a flower of ginger. I have a ginger, guys. Cooking time, guys. So, kukuha lang ako ng aming, this is called lasuna, a Filipino kind of onion. Maliliit pa yung bulb pero okay lang. At least I get the taste of lasona in my cooking for today. Ayan. Meron namang konti. Ito kaya, merong bulb. Konti din lang pero okay na yan. Wala pa din pero kukunin ko siya. Oops. Okay na yan. So I have this one, lasona. Get little bit bulb. Can use this in my cooking today for dinner. Let's go. Lasona, a Filipino kind of onion. At eto na yung lasona guys. Cleaned na siya and washed. So ikakat ko lang siya. Ganyan. Lasona. We call this lasona. Yung mga kapwa ko Ilocano, kaway-kaway. I'm sure you know this lasona. Ayan. Okay na okay yung amount na kinuha ko. Luto-luto again, guys. Ayan. Next, I have here squash. Or in Philippines, we call this upo. And as Ilocanos, we call this tabungaw. First, I will clean, of course. So, I will just cut the tip. There. And then the bottom part. Ayan. So, I'll just cut in half. Tapos, ganyan siya. Divide natin. Maybe 3. Ganyan. After that, I will remove the skin. So, I'm using a peeler like this para mabilis siya instead of using knife. Oh, ayan. Safe pa ang kamay pag ito ang ginamit. Diba? Ang bilis niyang balatan. Okay, so I get more squash to peel and I see you guys later. Okay guys, I'm done cutting the squash. I wash it. So next is cut into smaller pieces. Ayan, natapos din. So, cooking time. Good for 2 dinners. Only me and hubby. Tara na at magluto. These are my ingredients. Okay, so let's start cooking. First, I will be needing a little bit of vegetable oil. Konti lang panggisa. Okay, turn on the stove. So, painitin lang po natin yung mantika. Let's check, warm na ba yung oil? Mukhang pwede na. First, refry ko lang yung chicharon. Gagamit lang ako ng konti. While warming the chicharon, I will add the garlic. Yan yung garlic. So, antayin ko lang na maging aromatic yung garlic. Pero, wag susunugin. Okay, nagba-brownish na yung garlic. Ayan, wag susunugin. So, ilagay ko na din yung tomato. Oops. Lagay ko na din yung lasona, bulb and the leaves of lasona. Ganda ng kulay. And I will add fish sauce or yung Filipino patis. Yan. Saute all together. Gisa-gisa muna tayo. It's another Filipino dish. Vegetable. And now, I will add the squash. Di ako naglagay ng water kasi yung squash, madaming water yan. It will give out water later. Mix natin. Okay, so I will cover for the meantime. Okay, time to check. Oops. Ayan, meron na siyang sabaw. So, eto na yung squash. Malapit nang maluto. Few more minutes, maybe 2 minutes. Don't overcook. Heto na, masarap na dinner ginisang upo or sauteed squash. Tikman ko yung sabaw. Tastes good. I think no need to adjust. Not too salty. The lesser salt, it's more healthier. So, I'm done guys. Next, I will fry something partner of the squash, sauteed squash. And then dinner will be ready. At susunod na lulutuin, medyo delikado to guys. Magpiprito ako ng marinated boneless bangus. Ito yung titilamsik at ikaw ay tatakbo. Ay my God. Ito na siya. Dapat ready na akong tumakbo. Ayan siya. Oh my God. Ang dami kong nakukuhang peklat sa pagka-fry ng bangus, guys. Oh. Ang trick nito para hindi dumikit yung skin ng bangus sa inyong frying pan, dapat mainit talaga yung mantika. So, I check. Hindi dumikit yung skin ng mga bangus. So, good job. Good job naman sa akin. Oh, look at that. Very easy. Ay, 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 ay. Ayan na siya, guys. Huwag kang titilamsik. Oh, nice. Ito yung last na nilagay ko. Hindi. Ay, brownies na din. So, ito ang aming munting dinner tonight. Ayan. Sauteed squash. Upo or tabungan. And then I like the little bit soup on the rice. Oh, I pick lasona. So we are eating our lasagna in there. Okay, let's eat. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Kita-kits sa uulitin. Don't forget to subscribe.